In this video, we will discuss about the unit hydrocarbon and the concept sulfonation of benzene. In this video in this unit, there are five types of electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene. That are Friedel-Crafts alkylation, sulfonation of benzene, nitration of benzene, bromination of benzene, and chlorination of benzene. Both are the types of halogenation of benzene, because I already told you the bromine and chlorine are halogens, and the fifth type is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So in this video we will discuss about the sulfonation of benzene. You know, benzene is hydrocarbon because benzene is made from 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen atom, and the compound which is made from hydrogen and carbon only, that type of compound called hydrocarbon. So benzene molecular formula is C6H6. It means that benzene is made from hydrogen and carbon only, so benzene is hydrocarbon. So the reactions of benzene, that is the chemical reaction of benzene, are included in the unit hydrocarbon. In this unit, the total five types of electrophilic substitution reaction take part. That is electrophile means electron deficient species, or cation means any species which have the electron deficiency, that species is called as electrophile. And in this unit hydrocarbon, five types of electrophilic substitution reaction includes, that are In this unit, hydrocarbon, five types of electrophilic substitution reaction includes. One is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In this electrophilic substitution reaction, CH3 or alkyl group as electrophile and carbon having positive charge. Then second type is sulfonation of benzene. In this SO3 as electrophile. In this electrophile, sulfur having positive charge, but the actual attack on benzene ring happened by SO3H group, and in this group the sulfur having positive charge, that is electrophile. Where next is nitration of benzene. In this nitronium ion as electrophile NO2 plus, and in this nitronium ion nitrogen carry positive charge. Fourth type is Friedel-Crafts oscillation. In this R C double bond O and carbon having positive charge, and this is oscillium ion. And fifth type is halogenation of benzene, and this halogenation of benzene classify into two types: bromination of benzene, in this Br plus as electrophile, and chlorination of benzene, in this Cl plus as electrophile. And both halogenation of benzene and chlorination of benzene commonly called halogenation of benzene, because chlorine, bromine, iodine are halogen. This is chlorine, bromine. So chlorine and bromine both are halogen. So these reactions commonly called halogenation of benzene. In this video, we will discuss about the electrophilic reaction sulfonation of benzene. The electrophile mentioned in the books is SO3 as electrophile, but the actual attachment on benzene ring happened by SO3H group, and in this group sulfur carries positive charge, and this SO3, how the sulfur carries positive charge, because oxygen is more electronegative than sulfur, and three oxygen atom attached to the sulfur atom. So sulfur carries positive charge and oxygen carries negative charge. And we know the definition of electrophile. Electrophile means any species that carry positive charge, like this: positive charge, and that is electron deficient species. Means electrophile required electron rich center. The electrophile SO3 is sulfur trioxide, but the actual attack on benzene ring happened by SO3H group, in which group sulfur carry positive charge, and this group called sulfonic acid group. So the question asked about the sulfonation of benzene, then you write the electrophile as SO3, but the actual attack on benzene ring happened by the SO3H, and in this group the sulfur carries positive charge, that is sulfonic acid group. So how the benzene is converted into benzene sulfonic acid, we will discuss in the concept sulfonation of benzene. Firstly, we will discuss about the electrophile in sulfonation of benzene. Electrophile means electron deficient species and electrophile having positive charge. Mostly the electrophile represented by in this way. The electrophile means any positive species which have the electron deficiency, and any electrophile have tendency to attack on electron rich center. So in the sulfonation of benzene, the electrophile is SO3. The name of electrophile is free sulfur trioxide. One sulfur molecule at the center and three oxygen atom surrounded by the sulfur atom. And then chemical reaction of the sulfonation of benzene. When benzene, this is benzene molecule which is hydrocarbon. This benzene molecule is hydrocarbon. What is the definition of hydrocarbon? Hydrocarbon means any compound made up from hydrogen and carbon atom only. Then this is benzene. Benzene is made up from hydrogen, 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 and carbon, 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 carbon. Means benzene is made up from hydrogen and carbon only. So benzene is hydrocarbon, and so the name of unit is hydrocarbon. The name of unit is hydrocarbon, and in this unit hydrocarbon, this reaction include sulfonation of benzene. Why this reaction include in the unit hydrocarbon? Because the benzene is hydrocarbon, and so the benzene reaction is included in the unit name hydrocarbon. Now about reaction when benzene having molecular formula C6H6, that is hydrocarbon, when react with sulfuric acid. But in the reaction, the fuming sulfuric acid is used. Fuming sulfuric acid means that is a mixture of sulfuric acid with SO3. Then the product form is benzene sulfonic acid along with byproduct water. How this reaction carry out? Then I will discuss about this reaction. How the hydrogen remove from this benzene in the form of H plus ion, and how the electrophile, which electrophile? SO3H electrophile. We call that electrophile as sulfonic acid group. In this electrophile, sulfur carry positive charge. How the hydrogen remove from benzene ring in the form of H plus ion, and how the SO3H electrophile attack on this benzene ring, and how the OH from this sulfuric acid and hydrogen from benzene combine with each other and form the byproduct water. Then we will discuss all this chemical reaction. Now, why SO3 mentioned as electrophile? Because the molecular formula of SO3 is SO3, like this. SO3. When we see the structure of sulfur trioxide molecule, then we will see here the sulfur atom is attached with 3 oxygen atom by double bond. Now, the electronegativity of oxygen is almost 3.44. Also, this oxygen have the same electronegativity 3.44, and also this oxygen have the same electronegativity 3.44. And these three oxygen attach with the central sulfur atom having less electronegativity. The electronegativity of sulfur is almost 2.58, means the sulfur having less electronegativity compared with the three oxygen atom attached with sulfur. So in this case, the bonding electron pair are attract toward the oxygen atom. This bonding electron pair will attract toward this oxygen atom. This bonding electron pair will attract toward this oxygen atom, and these bonding electron pairs will attract toward this oxygen atom. In this way, the the sulfur feels electron deficiency, and so the positive charge create on sulfur. And we know that the electrophile, what is the definition of electrophile? Electrophile is positive charge species. See this molecule sulfur trioxide, this is the positive charge species. In this species the sulfur carry positive charge. Or we will see the other definition of electrophile. Electrophile is electron deficient species. In this species, the sulfur is electron deficient because sulfur cannot complete their octet in this species that accept electron from an electron rich center. Now, for the completion of octet, sulfur try to attack any species which is electron rich. And I already told you in benzene, the hydrogen from benzene is removed in the form of H plus ion, and the carbon become electron rich center, and this SO3 will attack to that electron rich carbon atom. Now, so SO3 is electrophile in the sulfonation of benzene. Now I explain you about why SO3 means free sulfur trioxide is electrophile in the sulfonation of benzene, because this is the structure of sulfur trioxide. Sulfur attached with three oxygen molecule, but oxygen have more electronegative than sulfur, so the bonding electron pair will attract toward the oxygen atom, and in this way sulfur feels electron deficiency, and so the positive charge create on sulfur. So sulfur trioxide is electrophile in sulfonation of benzene. Now in this reaction sulfonation of benzene, the word used, the mostly the fuming sulfuric acid word is used. What is the meaning of fuming sulfuric acid? Fumic sulfuric acid means it is the mixture of sulfuric acid with free sulfur trioxide molecule. This mixture is commonly called as fuming sulfuric acid. This mixture is called fuming sulfuric acid, or in the simple way we can write in this way. Or you can write in the simple way, the mixture of sulfuric acid with free sulfur trioxide molecule. This mixture is called as fuming sulfuric acid. And in this reaction, the line given by the authors are, when benzene react with fuming sulfuric acid at 373 Kelvin degree Celsius temperature, then benzene sulfonic acid is formed by product with water as a byproduct. So, what is the fuming sulfuric acid? The fuming sulfuric acid is the mixture of sulfuric acid with sulfur trioxide molecule. This mixture is called as fuming sulfuric acid, or in the simple way we write in this way, H2SO4 means sulfuric acid with free sulfur trioxide molecule SO3, and this mixture is called fuming sulfuric acid. Now, how the reaction happen in the simple way I will write now. Now we will discuss the chemical reaction of benzene with sulfuric acid and how the product benzene sulfonic acid form along with byproduct water. Now we discussed in the earlier lecture that this is the hydrocarbon. Benzene is hydrocarbon because benzene is made up from hydrogen and carbon only. So benzene molecule is hydrocarbon. And so this kind of reaction of benzene are included in the unit name hydrocarbon. Then why sulfonation word used? Because in this reaction sulfuric acid is used. The sulfuric acid is used and the electrophile, you can say the SO3, that is free sulfur trioxide or sulfonic acid group formed from sulfuric acid, and so the sulfonation word is used. Now we know in benzene the carbon electronegativity is 2.55 and the electronegativity is hydrogen is 2.2, means the electronegativity of carbon is more compared with hydrogen. All the carbon in benzene is sp2 hybridized. This how the carbon in benzene show sp2 hybridization we will discuss in the early lecture. Now this bond is made by the sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon with 1s atomic orbital of hydrogen. Now this bond made up from 2 electrons. In this case, the carbon electronegativity is more compared with hydrogen. Carbon have electronegativity 2.5 almost, and hydrogen electronegativity is 2.2. Now, this hydrogen remove in the form of H plus ion because hydrogen is less electronegative and carbon is more electronegative, and the bonding electron pair will attract the carbon atom. After the removal of this H plus ion, carbon have 2 electron, means carbon carry negative charge because carbon have 2 electron, and now the carbon is electron rich center. In Now what happen after the removal of H plus ion? Carbon become electronegative. Carbon carry negative charge. Now this sulfuric acid, from this sulfuric acid, SO3H group, that is sulfonic acid group, in which the sulfur carry positive charge, attack on the electron rich center of this carbon. This is electron deficient species. I will draw this simple way. After the removal of H plus ion, this carbon become electron rich in this way. After the removal of H plus ion, this carbon become electron rich in this way, because hydrogen removed from here in the form of H plus ion, and the two electron, that is two bonding electron, will attract the carbon atom. Now carbon is carries negative charge, and this SO3H, that is sulfonic acid group from sulfuric acid, this will attack on this electron rich center of this carbon. This is the simple representation. The sulfonic acid group, in which the sulfur carry positive charge, will attack on this benzene carbon carry 2 electron or electron rich center, and in this way the product benzene sulfonic acid form. Now after the product formation of benzene sulfonic acid, this H plus ion, that is this hydrogen which remove from benzene ring with this OH minus ion from sulfuric acid, this H plus ion with this OH minus ion combine with each other and form the byproduct water. In this way, all this sulfonation of benzene reaction happen. Also, I already explained you the meaning of fuming sulfuric acid. Fuming sulfuric acid is the mixture of sulfuric acid with sulfur trioxide molecule. This is formed during the reaction, as well as 373 Kelvin temperature is required for this temperature. 373 Kelvin temperature means 99.85 degrees Celsius. We know that we measure the temperature in Kelvin, degree Celsius, as well as Faradays. This is the formula, the how we convert the Kelvin into degree Celsius. This is the formula. Degree Celsius plus 273.15 is equal to Kelvin. Now, how many Kelvin here? 373 Kelvin means 99.85 degrees Celsius. Means the heat is required for this reaction. When we need to convert benzene into benzene sulfonic acid, we need heat. That is the endothermic reaction, means heat is required for this all reaction. Now I will repeat once again. When benzene react with sulfuric acid, in this case the hydrogen from benzene removed in the form of H plus ion. Then this carbon is electron rich center. Now the SO3H, that is sulfonic acid, in which sulfur carry positive charge, will attack on this electron rich carbon in this way simply. This is electron rich carbon, and this is electron deficient sulfur, and this electron deficient sulfur attack on electron rich carbon, and in this way the product benzene sulfonic acid is formed along with this H plus ion, which is released from this benzene molecule with OH minus ion released from sulfuric acid. This H plus ion and this OH minus ion combine with each other and form the byproduct water. In this way, all the sulfonation of benzene mechanism happen. Now, in the simple word, now in the simple way, I have tells you how the sulfonation of benzene reaction happen. Benzene is hydrocarbon. It means that benzene molecule made from hydrogen and carbon only. Also, why this kind of reaction are included in this unit? Because benzene is hydrocarbon. So the reaction of benzene are included in the unit hydrocarbon. And why sulfonation word is used? Because in this reaction sulfuric acid is used. The hydrogen ion replaced by the sulfonic acid group, and the sulfonic acid group is come from sulfuric acid. So sulfonation word is used. And why electrophilic word is used? Because the sulfonic acid group, that is SO3H, in which group the sulfur carry positive charge, that is electrophile. So this reaction is called as electrophilic substitution reaction. What is the meaning of substitution? When any atom or group is replaced by other atom or group, this kind of reaction is called substitution. In this reaction, the hydrogen atom from benzene is replaced by sulfonic acid group. So this kind of reaction is called as substitution. And in simple way, when benzene react with sulfuric acid at 373 Kelvin temperature, the benzene sulfonic acid product is formed along with byproduct water. And what is the meaning of fuming sulfuric acid? Fuming sulfuric acid means that is a mixture of sulfuric acid with free sulfur trioxide molecule. Okay.